Neoron ultra-strong negative static electricity, negative ions. Neoron will generate negative static electricity and negative ions through friction by rubbing against the skin or other fibers. To identify the amount of negative static electricity produced by Neoron, a test is conducted based on JIS L1094 2014 testing methods for electrostatic propensity of woven and knitted fabrics. First, a fiber test piece is affixed on a rotating plate and a friction cloth, either cotton or wool, is positioned under the rotating plate. Each test piece is measured at 5 centimeters by 8 centimeters. The environment is set to a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius and a humidity level of 40%. After that, the rotating plate is allowed to turn for 1 minute to generate friction between the two pieces of cloth, and the negative static electricity produced is measured. Through the test conducted at Japan Textile Products Quality and Technology Center, Neoron can produce a great amount of negative static electricity regardless of whether it is rubbed against cotton or wool. The negative static electricity produced is between -3000 and -3200 volts. In contrast, rayon can only produce -1300 volts to -1600 volts of negative static electricity. Even the positive static electricity produced from friction between cotton can go up to 1700 volts. Therefore, Neoron can consistently produce negative static electricity through friction, which is much higher compared to the other fibers such as cotton, wool and rayon. This means that we can be surrounded by a large amount of negative static electricity by wearing Neoron products. Next, let us measure the amount of negative ions produced when a Neoron product is rubbed against the skin. First, the environment is set to a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius and a humidity level of 40%. A 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter Neoron test cloth is then affixed above the tester. The test cloth is left for 1 minute, then rubbed for 30 seconds. These steps are repeated 3 times and the data is recorded. Through the test conducted by Unitica Garment Technology Company Limited's Research Laboratory Division, the results show that the Neoron product can produce a great amount of negative ions through friction. Particularly, the Neoron cloth, which is made from 100% Neoron fiber, was proven to be able to produce a maximum average of 8,833 cc of negative ions. This means a great amount of negative ions can be produced by Neoron products. Wearing Neoron products every day and making it part of your daily life will allow you to experience all-encompassing care.